welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are having fun at home, enjoying your quarantine time. But if you're not, then today's video can help you a bit. So today I am doing a 7 days video challenge where I try out rice water onto my skin for 7 days. So I applied onto my skin for 7 days regularly without fail so that I can see that does it do any kind of wonders onto my skin. Yeah, so let's get into it. But before that, guys, if you do not know me, this is Shivani and I make content on hair, beauty, makeup, and it's like everything beauty on my channel. So if you like that kind of content, so please make sure that you come to my family, join it by clicking on the subscribe button. Please turn on the notification bell as well so that you do not miss out on any good content. Yeah, now let's cruise it. Making rice water is super easy, guys. So you need a bowl, you need to pour some rice into it and pour some water so that the rice gets soaked in it. And then after 1 hour you have to take that rice water and pour it into a jar for convenience purpose, and then you can refrigerate it, and that's it. Nothing more to do. It's so simple to do, guys. I wanted to show you guys how my skin actually looks. So I have a little bit of tan on my forehead and I have a spot over here. So it's kind of a dark spot. So if it goes away, rice water is the best thing on earth. And otherwise, I think I don't have a lot of pores on my skin. I have like okay-ish. So let's check out and head to our day one of usage. Just I'm using this one because since many use curly, so I can do this thing. And yes. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it on my face. I'm just gonna dab it. I'm not going to rub it because I want the skin to rice water absorb almost benefits in it. Welcome to day 4, guys. So today I mostly do my skincare, so मैं वही कर रही हूँ, and after that I'm going to use rice water as a toner because my skin is freshly washed and pores would be open. So I think this would work on them, and the dirt and gunk उस पे work करेगा. Like it's already removed, but it will work onto my pores and it will just make my skin better. Talking about how my skin is behaving right now, so the dark spot is reduced a bit. You could see that onto my face, and yeah, I am quickly moving on to day 6 where I use rice water as an ice cube. Now other changes that I've noticed into my skin is that it has become a bit brightened, a little, but yes, and also the skin bumps have reduced to some extent, I would say. Like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, but हाँ, skin bumps is like something that you can feel onto your skin when you touch your skin, but visible नहीं होते हैं. Somebody else who could not see it, but you can feel it onto your skin that okay, I have some bumps onto my skin. So I would say this has reduced for me, and yes, that's a positive result, I would say. And now let's move to our day 7, the result day. Now 1 week is a very less time to test natural products or natural remedies, but okay, now my skin feels a little brighter and my dark spot has also reduced a little. So that is the good news because dark spots को बहुत time लगता है reduce होने में. In 1 week I'm seeing a lot of improvements onto my skin, so that is amazing. And I think rice water is a good thing to use onto your skin, and I could extend it to more days, so I can use it for 1 month and more. So I hope you guys would have enjoyed the video, so please do like it, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.